Don't ruin your headlights. Many drivers are unknowingly speeding up yellowing and cracking with the wrong products. Discover why the best clear coat for headlights can instantly restore shine and protect against damage. You won't believe how simple it is to prevent costly replacements. Stay tuned, because this trick actually works. Let's start. Number 5. Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit is a game changer for anyone tired of cloudy, faded headlights. This 3-step system includes oxidation-removing wipes, a sanding kit, and industry-leading ceramic coating wipes that restore and protect your headlights. No power tools are needed, making it safe and easy for anyone. The ceramic coating chemically bonds to your lens, providing UV protection that lasts as long as you own your vehicle. Enjoy like-new clarity, improved safety, and long-lasting durability, all in just 30 minutes. Number 4. Meguiar's Keep Clear Headlight Coating is a game-changer for maintaining like-new clarity on your headlights. This easy-to-use aerosol delivers durable UV protection that prevents yellowing, hazing, and discoloration, keeping your lights crystal clear all year long. Designed for halogen lights, it enhances nighttime visibility and driving safety while preserving your car's aesthetics. Corrosion-resistant and long-lasting, it's a must-have for any car care kit. Spray it on, let it dry, and enjoy professional-grade clarity that truly stands out. Number 3. Era Paint's 2K High Gloss Clear Coat Aerosol delivers a professional, showroom-quality shine that instantly elevates your headlights. This catalyst-activated 2K formula bonds chemically for unmatched durability, resisting UV rays, chemicals, and harsh weather to keep surfaces pristine. Its premium fan nozzle ensures smooth, even application with minimal runs, perfect for DIY projects. Made in the USA with top-grade resins. It enhances gloss depth without altering color, long-lasting, fade-resistant, and easy to apply. This clear coat protects, perfects, and preserves your headlights. Number 2. Spray Max 2K 2-in-1 Headlight Clear Coat is a game-changer for foggy, yellowed, or scratched headlights. This professional-grade spray combines restoration and UV protection in one easy application, giving your headlights a crystal-clear, durable finish. With a precise fan nozzle, it sprays evenly without extra tools, dries fast, and seals against UV rays, oxidation, and harsh chemicals. The result? Brighter, safer driving, long-lasting clarity, and a polished, showroom-quality look that keeps your car shining. Don't wait. Your headlights deserve this upgrade. Number 1. Favor C Car Headlight Restoration Kit instantly erases years of wear, wiping away yellowing, oxidation, fog, and fine scratches to restore crystal-clear headlights in minutes. Its advanced UV and hydrophobic shield locks in clarity, repelling water, road grime, and harmful rays for months of protection. This all-in-one kit delivers showroom-quality results with a simple spray and wipe. No sanding needed. Safe for plastic and glass. Perfect for headlights, taillights, and fog lights. Experience safer nighttime driving, superior durability, and a brilliant, polished finish effortlessly.